Science is really important, and understanding that science in a lot of ways is looking at a variable in a controlled situation. And on the landscape, it's not always that controlled. So understanding why things are happening, there's a bit of an art to how you apply it. That's the job of the manager, to sort through that science.
There's very little technology here in what I've done, and mostly innovation. I had seen many springs that had been developed over the years and was really intrigued by them. I didn't really understand how they worked. Environmentally, it was the right thing to do. You're never really sure it's all going to work all at once, right? So you do things kind of incrementally and then see what you got and then see if it improves.
This farm is my grandpa, my dad, and now with our family, and we want to do our part to make sure it goes down to the next generation. And in order to do that, nature has to play a big role. To use innovation, it's not just about the new technologies, it's just a different way of looking at this problem to solve, a different way of management, whether that's trees, grass growing, water, it's all so important.
You know, some of the stuff we've learned about our native rangelands and some of the stuff we've learned about our croplands we didn't know has been pretty valuable. It's how you apply those things to make your operation better. That's innovation.